Yeah, so I'm Rahul, co-founder of Contique, and 2 years ago I was in London representing VMware's cloud business, trying to close a deal with British Telecom along with my VMware salesperson. And everything was going well till the CIO asked us a question, hey, you sent me a presentation but I wanted a reference architecture in my vertical, could you send that to us? The room went silent, and then one person from British Telecom piped up and said, hey, by the way, can you also send me organizational structure of how to implement that reference architecture? And that was the death knell because neither I, representing marketing, nor the salesperson had that. Result, the deal got cancelled across the quarter and got postponed. Why did that happen? That is the genesis of Contique. It happened because of this chasm. And the chasm is really the enterprise salesperson is looking for content to tailor the presentation and spending a lot of time on it, as much as 30% of the time. Productivity is a problem. In that case, they couldn't find it. Secondly, if they're sending something tailored or not, they do not have any customer engagement insights. So in this case, he did not know the presentation got forwarded to someone who asked the second question. They don't have any other insight. Is it being even opened, the presentation they're sending? Whereas on the marketing side, which is what I was representing, we had spent enormous millions of dollars trying to give the right content to sales for hybrid cloud. But somehow it was not getting through. And worse still, we are not getting the content effectiveness, insights of what was working, what was not working, how was the sales presenting our content for an opportunity, how they were tailoring it, which customers were seeing it, none of that was available. And that is the chasm Contique is trying to solve by a very simple paradigm. Salesperson can essentially, within their PowerPoint, you can see on the left, right-hand side, find the presentation by opportunity, by keyword, by pretty much any attribute they care, given to them, number one, from marketing. So you can see at the top are the marketing results, but then also from their peers. And you can see the platform has dynamic scoring of every single piece of content happening as the usage is going on, so that salesperson is finding what's working in the field and not working. Secondly, the salesperson can, from the platform itself, send the tailored presentation to the customer and get insights on the view, swipe dwell times, how much time it is used, which customer is giving about comments, all that the salesperson is getting. Marketing person, again from PowerPoint, without leaving the native environment, are able to sponsor the content, tag them the control piece, and get the insights of exactly how deck and slide is being used in which opportunity for which customer where. In terms of traction, we are right now, we are a pre-series A company, post-seed. We are basically driving deployment in two main customers. One of which is a small company, virtualization leader, which you might know. Another VoIP leader, so that's our, and then we have pilots lined up next month to start with other verticals, which is basically with companies like Informatica and Deloitte. And we have a deep pipeline of customers after that, all B2B. And the way we look at the market is the following. Essentially, we are focusing on enterprise companies which have big sales force and a lot of growing sales content and volume. And really the verticals which matter to us are the following. And in each of those, we either have a paid pilot or we have an anchor customer which we are deploying right now. Competitive landscape, how we differentiate, there are two kinds of competitors we have. On the A side are basically the push platforms where marketing is essentially doing a one-way push to the salespeople. They're not getting anything back. On the B side are essentially data capture platforms which are capturing the last mile customer data but not sending it back to marketing. Contique is the only platform which is doing both. As you can see from within PowerPoint, you can collect the data and bring back the marketing for which it is gold. Our team is essentially led by Mark Shablik, who is a serial entrepreneur. He sold his company to VMware, successful exit. Myself, 15 plus experience in product, around 15 plus experience in domain. And we are essentially, like I said, post-series A. What we're looking for at this point of time is some strategic investors working with us to accelerate the march to Series A in terms of getting the million ARR and deployment.
Rahul, stop. You have 4 minutes.
Yeah, that's what. Thank you. That's the answer.